Hello, and welcome. Today, we will be going over how to check in your orders using the scanner and parts wizard system in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, preparing your scanner. Step 2, scanning the order. And Step 3, reviewing and printing reports on the computer. Step 1, preparing the scanner. To prepare your scanner for use, first open the Scan Wizard application located on the home screen and make sure that Parts Wizard is open on the PC. Next, tap on Done Scanning to enter sync mode on the scanner. After a moment, the scanner should display Waiting on command. Go to the computer, and make sure the Sync Scanner button is blue and activated, and not grayed out. This will ensure that the scanner will sync with the PC successfully. Next, click on the download arrow in the upper right. Make sure inventory is selected, and click OK. Parts Wizard will download your current orders and inventory, and then automatically attempt to synchronize the inventory to the scanner. This process will be displayed in the download status window. When this process is completed, and the download status window disappears, tap Start Scanning on the scanner, and wait for the application to load. Step 2, scanning the order. Tap on Scan Order to enter into the Scan Order menu. Verify that the scanner shows connected in green. Next, verify that the printer is powered on if you need customer labels. To begin scanning, start by aiming the scanner at the label and pulling the laser trigger to scan the barcode. The scanner will display information as you scan, including the scan part number, quantity, description, order number, bin location, special order number, and customer name. If the scanner detects a part with an ordered quantity greater than 0, it will ask for you to input the quantity. Input the quantity and then press Enter, and continue scanning as normal. If the scanner detects a part number on multiple orders, it will ask you to select the order. Select the order and tap OK, and continue scanning as normal. If a part does not have a barcode, enter the part number manually by using the on-screen keypad. Press the Enter button and then use the corresponding numbers and letters to enter the part number, and the scanner will automatically begin displaying matching numbers. Then select the part you wish to input. If there is only one available part number, that part will be selected automatically. Input the quantity and then press the Enter button, and continue scanning as normal. By default, the scanner will only print special orders with customer names. If you want to print off labels that are not special order, simply tap on the Print Item button. Doing so will print out a label for the part number you selected. Continue to scan until your last part. Once you've scanned your last part, hit Enter. This will ensure that the last part you scan transfers. Cradle the scanner for charging and then head back to the computer for reviewing reports. Step 3, reviewing and printing reports. Back on the PC, click on the Orders section. Parts Wizard will default to the Not Posted tab, showing you any parts that were on order but did not receive into the system. Parts highlighted in pink were scanned but have a discrepancy, parts highlighted in red were scanned, but were not part of the download and do not have an order number and will not post, and parts that are not highlighted are parts that were not scanned but included in the order. You can right-click a part to receive additional options for reconciling any discrepancies, such as quantity errors. To adjust quantity errors, select a part number and right-click. Select Change Scan Quantity, input the desired count, and click OK and then click Yes. Then right-click the part again and select Retry Errors. This will resubmit the part with the updated scan count. If the adjustment was successful, the part entry will no longer be listed on the Not Posted report. Receive Remaining receives the difference between the on-order and scan counts. Parts displayed in dark red are parts that will not post. These are parts that we did not download from your dealer management system, and because of that, we do not have an order number to post it to. You will need to review these parts and manually make adjustments in the dealer management system for these as needed. The posted report displays all parts that have been received or backordered to your dealer management system. Make sure to review both reports to ensure that all the parts you've scanned have been posted and accounted for before you're finished. Parts Wizard will incrementally post each part as you scan, meaning that if you do not scan the full amount for a specific part number, it will only receive the amount scanned and leave the remaining amount on order. In cases like this, you will see identical lines in both the Not Posted and Posted report. This is meant to show you what is still on order and what has been received into the system. Parts Wizard can print filled special order sheets automatically. These sheets contain information about all the parts and orders for that customer and print when the last part has been scanned and posted. However, if you wish to manually print these, or partial sheets, click the print button arrow, click print SOR sheets, select the desired option, and click OK. If you already have a special order printer selected, Parts Wizard will automatically print to that. However, if you don't, simply select the printer you wish to print to and click OK. To print a report or export it as a PDF or spreadsheet, click on the print button arrow, and choose the desired option. Once you have finished reviewing your reports, you are done with the orders check-in process. If you have any questions, or wish for further training, please contact us. Our tech support line is available Monday through Friday 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern and 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Saturday. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.